patay. That's their natural reaction po, no? They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So nagpapatay-patayan kasi ano naman? Ang pala ang gagawin pag may agila? Kaya ka, naging agila boy. Palabakan ko natin siya ko. So talaga Apollo, ang best actor ka boy. At dahil artistahin ka, syempre hindi makukumpleto yun. Kung walang interview session, nagpapay natin si Apollo. Apollo, come here. Kuya Poy. Alright, Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, boy, ha? Please be honest, Apollo. Okay, Apollo, look at Kuya Poy, Apollo. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Poy, Apollo? Oy, Pogi. Sana, Siyempre, aagi ka rin, so personal trainer niya si Kuya Poy. Pagkabayo sa si Apollo, eh. How about me daw, boy? Tita Bear, look at me, my pretty. Mga ba ako, Apollo? Di pa nga ako tapos. So, Apollo, ha? Let's take it sa mga audience daw, Kuya Bear. Let's see if bias ko talaga si Apollo. Okay, dito tayo. Ayan si Ma'am tinuturo na naka-pink Apollo. Okay, Apollo, look at Mom. Is she pretty? Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Mom Apollo? Ay, no? Apollo, agree. Siyempre, maganda nga naman si Mom. Okay, dito naman tayo sa mga gentleman naman. Ito si Sir na naka-orange. Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Pogi din. Siyempre, Apollo, obvious yung mga bisita natin ngayon. Nagaganda. Ayun daw, nag-post ni Sir. Apollo, look at Sir na naka-black doon. Yes, ayun. Look at Sir Apollo, kita mo ba? Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Apollo, are you ready, boy? Sakay. And Madja, tayo mo kapatid ng first placer. Pangayo naman si Cadillon. Para lang, good boy. Now, si the kids out there, sa mga bisita natin, hindi marunong mag-bisikleta. Don't you worry po, because doon maraming tayong jumbo. How's you ready? Ding, ding, ding! Super! Right, now jumbo one more time. Sakay and Madja! Kung dandaan mo, kumawag si Tewal, para lang, good boy. Now, you see guys, even our animals belong to our modern nature. We can also do our part with doing the reuse, recycle, and repurpose in some alternative ways for our transportation. And that's all for Jumbo po. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much. Ang alam po ng trainer. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that we study our Palawan haircut with the scientific name of Arcticus binturong, or locally known as binturong po. Now, did you know that their tail can act as a weapon or display prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So, they can grab sa mga objects na kasinggahin lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkeys. And ikaw makita yan, Teddy, this morning. No, Teddy, go to your spot na boy. And to show us your prehensile tail. Alright, now Teddy, go to your spot na. Huwag kang umuwi, boy. Okay. Alright. And that's a good boy, and are you ready? Down, 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 Teddy boy. And there you go. That is your prehensile tail in action. Right there, Jordan Noah to grab some fruits coming from a brush. Palapakan po natin si Teddy. Ayan, thank you so much, Teddy boy. Now may I direct your attention to your right side na naman. And that is Uno, Teddy's older brother. Now guys, the reason two hind legs. Hindi nga na po ang kanyang two hind legs in action. Now guys, Palawan haircuts are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning, dito na po sila magkita sa Pilipinas, particularly sa Palawan. And they are omnivores po. So kumakain sila ng prutas, gulay, at karne. No, may tanong ulit ako sa inyo guys. Anong tawag sa mga hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses?